Hey, I'm Marianne, and this is Wellness This Way, where we are all about helping you get healthy. And in this episode, we're going to talk to you about chocolate hummus. We're going to show you how to make it and why you want to make it using raw cacao powder. So let's talk about those benefits of raw cacao powder. Here are 5 benefits of raw cacao. First, raw cacao has over 40 times the antioxidants of blueberries. That's right, 40 times. It is also the highest plant-based source of iron known to man at a whopping 13.9 milligrams per 100 grams. Raw cacao is also one of the highest plant-based sources of magnesium, which is the most deficient mineral in the Western world. Raw cacao is more calcium than cow's milk. It is also a great source of 4 scientifically proven bliss chemicals like serotonin, tryptophan, and tyrosine. It's a natural mood elevator and antidepressant. Alright, so you're going to want to go grab your high-powered blender and a measuring cup, and then a few ingredients. And those ingredients are some maple syrup, milk, and I'm using a milk alternative, tahini, salt, vanilla extract, and your cacao powder, as well as your chickpeas. And I'm using 2 cans of chickpeas that are drained. Okay, so once you've gotten all of your ingredients together, you're going to want to make your hummus, and all you need to do is get your high-powered blender ready, or if you're going to use a food processor, which I would actually recommend the high-powered blender over the food processor because you can tend to get a smoother texture with your hummus. But in any case, let's get started, and all you do is take all your ingredients and put them right into your blender. So we will put our milk in. I usually do about 1/3 to 1/2 cup, and you are going to want to adjust your liquid depending on the texture that you want your hummus to be. Then you're going to take your drained chickpeas. This is about 2 cans. You can rinse these if you want to, but it's not necessary. You're also going to need some tahini. Tahini can be a little challenging to find in the stores. If you have a challenge finding it, you can also make your own. You can find that on my website, wellnessthisway.com. You can find a recipe for it. Super simple. You're going to take your vanilla extract, pour that in, your raw cacao powder, salt, and your maple syrup. Your maple syrup, you're going to want to adjust to your liking. If you want it sweeter, you can add more maple syrup. If you want it less sweet, of course, add less maple syrup. And let's blend this up so you can get a chance to taste it. Yummy. Here are a few more ways you can reap the health benefits of cacao powder in your diet. You can sprinkle it on top of toast and peanut butter. You can add it as an ingredient to homemade hot cocoa mix, or you can add it to a smoothie. You could also add it to a pot of chili for a deeper flavor, and you could use it as a mix-in in your oatmeal. If you'd like to know more about cacao, including the difference between cacao and cocoa, head on over to my website, wellnessthisway.com, and click on the Learn tab for more information. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this. Don't forget that bell icon for future notifications. I'll see you next time.